Guys, we're going to do a little stream of our pre-market scanner and do a little charting. This is what we do every morning to get ready for the trading day. We have about 15 minutes to bell, so let's quickly run through the scanner and see what we're focusing on today. So over here we have our morning gappers. We always scan for those. So these are stocks that are set out to open higher than the night before. For example, we have LPTX, which closed at 147 yesterday, and it's currently at 193. So these stocks normally have some sort of news that was dropped, which caused a parabolic move overnight. And we expect that other day traders will be looking at them as well. So the most important thing we do is we determine support and resistance, and then we use that support and resistance to take trades throughout the day. So we have the chart here. We're just using the intraday chart for day trading. This is the 5-minute chart. It's a good time frame for determining support and resistance, and we will just mark the key, most obvious levels. So we have this level here of 219. It's the high of this candle and the high of this candle, so we know there's definitely some selling pressure there. Especially here we see this sharp rejection, and then the second time around some sellers came in again, and then once it was broken above that level, we see this parabolic move to the upside, so we know that's where short sellers are concentrating, and that is a key level to break. We are quite ways away from that level now, so we need to mark a few other levels. We see a lot of congestion here, so that's definitely a level, this 180. And then here we don't have to do anything because this is it's responding to this EMA 50. Perhaps I'll just do this one because we have these two here. So we've marked the key levels on this chart now, and what we'll be waiting for on bell would be either a bounce on this level or this level, or a break above. I mean, we can say break above VWAP, because VWAP is the first resistance right above it. And then this is a key level to break. If we break above this level, we are going to expect to see a short squeeze towards high of day. So we can even set alerts if we wanted to. You just right click and create alert if you're watching a lot of stocks and you want to make sure you don't miss a breakout or a bounce. And that's it. So we're done with this one. We know what we're waiting for. It does not immediately provide us with an opportunity, but we know we're waiting for either a break above VWAP or a bounce on these two support levels. If it dropped below this one, I will not be watching it anymore. Then we have ATER. We actually traded this one this morning in the pre-market session. So let's start here first because we see a lot of consolidation at this level and then a rejection. So that's 14.6 is that key level, 14.8 as well. Then we have this one. Well, did it touch it there? We can do this. Then this one, and then this one. This is actually probably from Friday. We've been trading this stock a lot. Okay, so we've marked the key support and resistance levels here as well. And what we'd be looking at on bell would be either a bounce of this level of 1365 or a break above 1411, which is also VWAP. So, at any given time, the stocks will be between two key levels of support and resistance. All we're waiting for to enter is a trigger, which is either a breakout above resistance or a bounce on support. And that's very important. We don't just say, oh, the stock is on my watch list. I'm just going to buy on bell no matter what happens and hope for the best. That's not how we trade. We need a trigger. If we're trading on the long side, meaning buy to open and sell to close, we want bullish momentum. We want to see some sort of proof that the stock is turning bullish and buyers are overtaking sellers, So we're riding the, we're riding the wave, the trend in the correct direction. So that's what we're looking at there. Then we have blue, which had a nice run this morning, but then now it's sort of falling asleep again. We're going to mark these levels here as well. We have this EMA 20. If it provides some support and breaks above this level, we'd be interested. If it goes below it, potentially this EMA 50, but if it goes below it, it probably means that it's done for the day. Oh, I like this one a lot. It's forming a nice flag here. So let's first just mark these levels of support and resistance. And then we're just going to mark this flag as well. No, it's not working for me. Okay, thanks. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm doing this stream, my computer is all messed up. There we go. It's actually currently also giving us a VWAP bounce, which is tempting. This EMA 20 right above it, which could cause some resistance, and we still have 9 minutes to go, so that is plenty of time to catch a move to 34. VWAP to 34. That's a 3% move. Yeah, not bad. So again, on Bell, we'd be looking at either break above this flag, which is currently break above 34, which we also see as a key level, or then bounce on VWAP. If we break below VWAP, the next level we're watching is this 31.7, support for a bounce. The rest of these don't have a lot of volume yet. We can chart them just in case, but normally what ends up happening is we'll run the momentum scanner after Bell and have some other stocks there that will have more volume and more volatility. Sometimes where we've traded these before, we're going to have the old drawings. That's fine. Okay, yeah, that's enough. And then what I like to do is the ones that more immediately could provide opportunities. I like to just put them here in my watch list, so I'll have to go through all of them. These are the main ones I'm watching this morning. Do you love this? Positive affirmation, best month yet. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to close out the screen now so that we can, get ready for Bell with the team and potentially take a couple trades. And I will see you guys tomorrow.